True Peace Kens. 81% of construction companies plan to adopt robots. Man, people slang. More than 4 out of 5, 81% of the world's construction companies say they are planning to introduce robots into their operations during the coming decade, partly in response to a growing skills crisis being experienced by 91% of them. Peter Slang, a global survey of 1,900 construction industries, CEOs, and MDs commissioned by ABB has revealed that 44% of them are struggling to recruit construction workers. The builders also want to adopt robots for other reasons, include health and safety and environmental concerns, with each of these factors cited as key drivers for change by 42% of those quizzed. Man, Peter Slang. ABB Robotic believes that there is a potential for double-digit growth in building industry applications for robots over the coming decade. Over this period, the global construction industry is predicted to rise in value by 85% to 15.5 trillion. Man, keep the slang.
Atlavital Arquitectura 2021, curated by Ashio Sarkis, might created the largest ever made 3D printed biodegradable structure.
We are advancing automation in the construction industry to help it transform to safer and more sustainable building.
This project here, without the robotic fabrication, would have not been possible. I think architecture and automation is the future.
A number of companies are telling us that the labor and the skill shortage is already an extremely serious problem.
91% of construction businesses face a skill crisis over the next 5 to 10 years, and 44% struggle to recruit for most construction jobs.
This industry will have to change.
In the future, we won't see workers handling steel beams. This is all done by robots.
Keep the slang. ABB suggests that robotic automation offers huge potential to boost productivity, efficiency, and flexibility in the construction industry through a variety of applications, including automating the fabrication of modular homes, building components off-site, using robots for welding and material handling on building sites, and 3D printing of houses and customized structures, as well as making the industry safer and more cost effective. Robots could also improve sustainability and reduce environmental impact by cutting waste. With so few construction businesses using automation today, there is huge potential for us to transform the industry through robotics, says Sami Ataya, president of ABB's robotic and discrete automation business. Unlike building cars or assembling electronics, many techniques used in construction haven't changed for generations. So we are developing new solutions to address key industry challenges. Go to robot arm, 3D, man, peep the slang. This new customer segment will broaden our portfolio as part of a wider strategy to accelerate expansion in high growth segments, including electronics, healthcare, consumer goods, logistics, and food and beverage to meet the growing demand for automation across multiple industries. He added logistics. Freestyling, Peter Slang. ABB is already involved in several pilot projects using robots for construction tasks, including okay, the automated fabrication of timber roof supports in partnership with Autovol in Canada, robotic production of prefabricated modular homes with another Canadian company, Intelligent City, which has boosted production efficiency by 15% and speeds by 38% while cutting waste by 30%. Robotic installation of elevators with Schindler lifts, and using robot welders to automate the fabrication of steel reinforcement baskets on site with Skanska, thus improving quality, productivity, and safety while cutting the cost and environmental impact of transporting bulky reinforcement baskets to build sites. ABB is also working with several universities, including ETH Zurich in Switzerland, to develop automated construction technologies. ETH has established the world's first laboratory for collaborative robotic digital fabrication and architecture. Man, peep the slang. True peace, Kens. 81.